here back for another video. How's it going? So today is going to be another segment of crypto news, guys. Just a reminder to leave a like and subscribe. Any comments are appreciated. Any feedback. I'm still trying to grow the channel, guys. I'm working on a setup here. I am getting a desk up here in my room, so we have a little bit of a better setup. I've just been doing these videos from my laptop up until this point. So yeah, guys, any support is much appreciated. Definitely leave a like, a comment, smash that subscribe button, and let's just get started. So to start off here, guys, let's just take a quick look at the Bitcoin chart. So let's look at, I think here, okay, so here, I had on the daily here, this is the daily Bitcoin chart. Again, looking good. The RSI is still low, so we are still on the daily chart, indicating that we are still a little bit oversold. The MACD looks like it's about to cross here, which could mean a nice break to the upside. In the next week, I'm predicting that Bitcoin is going to probably go back up to $60,000. We do have a lot of options expiring, a lot of futures this week. So yeah, my price prediction will be at least 60K by the end of the week. I do think we could retest that all-time high of about 65,000. Let's see, it was right here, right? All-time high. Yeah, it was like 64. Yeah, about like 64K all-time high. I think we could definitely get to that within the next week. But again, guys, Bitcoin's been acting up lately, so nobody really knows. So now on to Ethereum. Ethereum did hit another all-time high today, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go back to the Bitcoin 1-minute chart and just see how it's looking. So today, we've had a little bit of action today. It looks like we're in a consolidation period here, which is fine. We want to consolidate up until another breakout. Again, the RSI on the daily chart is low. The MACD is about to cross, so I could definitely see a breakout for Bitcoin. Next, Ethereum, on the 1-minute chart here, we did hit a new all-time high today, guys. Let's see what that all-time high is here. Let's look at the 30-minute. So the new all-time high is 2682, so almost 2700, which is beautiful. So we look at the 1-minute chart. It looks like we have kind of plateaued a bit, or in like the $2,600 range. Kind of consolidating here. We had a nice jump up earlier today at about 10 o'clock, 10 to 11. We had a night, or 10 to 10:30. We had a super nice little run here from 2,500, 2,550 all the way up to about 2,650. So yeah, guys, we're in a consolidation period now. I'm really liking the Ethereum chart. I am really super bullish on Ethereum. I'm bullish on most crypto, but especially Ethereum, guys. The upside potential on Ethereum is crazy. I'm buying more every day. All right, so with that out of the way, let's just jump into the news. So here, guys, I do have some news lined up. First thing we're going to talk about is this is actually a recent article. I pulled this up just before I started filming. Ethereum hits record price as potential supply crunch looms. Ethereum has rebounded from its price dip last week, once again setting a new all-time high. So we did talk about the all-time high, guys, but the second part is what I wanted to talk about here, this potential supply crunch looms. So I'm sure most people know ETH 2.0 is coming soon. Vitalik has mentioned that they are going to burn a lot of Ethereum coins just to try to undilute the supply. So let's see what this article says here. It's a good day to be an Ethereum investor as the price of the coin set a new to all-time high, price of 2665. Potentially signaling the start of a new rally. The timing is likely not coincidental. Last week, the first Ethereum ETFs began trading, which is totally awesome. I'm looking forward to more crypto ETFs. What's more, an upcoming change to the Ethereum network that will effectively reduce the supply of ETH has holders feeling bullish. Ethereum started trading the week around 2,400, having fallen around 200 since hitting the all-time high price of 2646 last week. It's currently trading for about that price now, up 5% on the day. ETH has been on an incredible run in the last year, buoyed by booms in both DeFi and NFT sectors. The Ethereum price has skyrocketed. So yeah, guys, I'm not going to go through the whole article. Basically, the overall point and sentiment is that institutional interest is going up on Ethereum. We did have that Ethereum ETF that just launched, so overall the market sentiment for Ethereum is really bullish. I'm super bullish on it. The chart looks great. I'm thinking we're going to see maybe a $10,000 Ethereum up by the end of the year, honestly. So I'm just buying more and more. So next here, this is an article from yesterday, I believe. Just a quick one. I just thought it was really interesting. NFL's #1 draft pick Trevor Lawrence to receive an Ethereum and Solana bonus. So I really won't go into this. This is just overall about sentiment of the crypto market. I think it's great that we have professional athletes that are trying to get paid in crypto. I think it's really smart. Personally, I would do it if I was them. Next year, $150 million in short squeeze liquidated as Bitcoin. Okay, so this is another article from yesterday. I just thought it was really interesting because, you know, while we had that flash crash, everyone was like, oh, don't long leverage, you're going to get liquidated. But, as soon as the price goes back up, shorts get liquidated. So it goes vice versa. You know what I mean? Like, it's really not, obviously, options and, leverage trading, Bitcoin, can have a negative effect on the stock, but it can also have a positive effect on the stock. So just thought I'd throw that in there. So next, this is also another article from yesterday about JP Morgan. Is basically they're preparing to offer a Bitcoin fund to their richest clients, which I just found really funny because JP Morgan and Jamie Dimon have been super bearish on Bitcoin, and now we find out they're about to offer a fund to their richest clients. So it's just super ironic. Again, it doesn't really matter much for the price of Bitcoin. I think it might have helped it a little bit, some institutional buying. But again, it's more about sentiment, guys. The sentiment of crypto and Bitcoin has just been getting better and better on the daily. So, all right, next, another article from yesterday. Demand for PayPal's crypto offering exceeded all expectations, CEO says. So this is another overall sentiment article. A company like PayPal being involved in crypto is just ridiculous. That's one of the biggest... PayPal is like one of the biggest financial and transactional companies on the planet. Them getting into crypto is super bullish. So it says, in the next 5 to 10 years, there will be more changes in the financial system than over the past 2 decades, PayPal's CEO predicted. The demand for cryptocurrency exceeded PayPal's initial expectations after the firm launched crypto trading in late 2020. Demand on the crypto side has been multiple-fold to what we initially expected. There's a lot of excitement, CEO Dan Schulman said. Schulman said that existing financial infrastructure needs modernization because it's inefficient today due to overly expensive, slow international transactions. The CEO predicted that the financial system is poised to see more changes in the next 5 to 10 years than it has experienced over the last 2 decades. 10 years from now, you will see a tremendous decline in the use of all cash. All form factors of payment will collapse into the mobile phone. Credit cards as a form factor will go away, and you will use your phone because a phone can add much more value than just tapping your card. So yeah, guys, this article, I don't really need to read much more than that. This is purely about sentiment. Just this one, let me see here. Just this one paragraph here is it blows my mind, and I totally agree. I think that cash fiat is going to basically be null and void within the next 10 years. I think crypto is basically just going to dominate the entire financial system. Maybe not dominate, but the current financial system will be forced to adopt things like crypto and blockchain. It's just about overall sentiment, guys. Again, All right, so let's see here. So the last quick article I wanted to talk about here is this is about Cardano, the Cardano and Ethereum founder. He analyzes the newest evolutions in the crypto and blockchain technology. And let's see, is this the article now? Okay, never mind, guys. This is actually the wrong article. I wanted to look up let me see here. So, Cardano, Ethiopia news. I'm sorry, guys. That was the wrong article. Pardon me. Okay, yeah, here. This is the article I was trying to find here. So, Cardano developer IOHK strikes partnership with Ethiopian government. The partnership between IOHK and the Ethiopian government will see a blockchain-based identity solution rolled out to schools nationwide. So yeah, guys, this is just another article about sentiment. I am a Cardano holder. I love Cardano. Charles Hoskinson is he was a co-founder of Ethereum and is the founder of Cardano. And this guy's just a beast. He's running the project really well. And just doing stuff like this, it helps increase overall sentiment about crypto overall, but it also does it about Cardano. You know what I mean? So it's a win-win. Doing things like this, helping governments in third world countries, and using your influence and wealth to help is always good. Empathy always wins, guys. So I'll just read the in brief here, just go over it real quick. IOHK has partnered with the Ethiopian government for a nationwide identity system based on Atala Prism. Since November, Ethiopia's Tigray region has been the scene of a bloody conflict which has mired the government in controversy. So yeah, it's just they're just trying to do good deeds, you know, and this is definitely going to help that area, you know what I mean? Teaching kids how to do blockchain and learn about crypto is definitely going to give them potential job opportunities down the line. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to just sneak this little article in there. I just thought it was really great for the sentiment. You know, again, I'm just going to pull up the charts again here, guys. In closing, I just wanted to run through some crypto news for you guys. You know, at the end of the day, you know, I'm heavily invested in a lot of stuff in the stock market, and I have been for a while. But, you know, nowadays, guys, crypto is just, it seems like every day the crypto market overall is, the sentiment is just getting better and better and better and more bullish and more bullish. You know, me personally, and this is not financial advice, but I'm, you know, dumping most of my money into crypto, guys. The opportunity to make money, the interest rates, you know, the easy transfer and transactions, quick transactions, and, you know, that crypto brings, it's just, it's unmatched, you know what I mean? And, you know, the returns that you can get by getting in early on a good project like Ethereum or like Bitcoin, it's just, you know, it's astronomical, guys. You can't compare it to anything. And when you look at charts like this, I mean, if you look at the Bitcoin chart long term, I mean, it's just, it's absurd, guys. Like, look at this, you know? You don't see charts like this in the stock market, you know what I'm saying? Even look at the Ethereum chart. Very, very similar. You just don't see charts like this. You know, Ethereum, I'm thinking it's going to consolidate and pump really, really high. I am buying as much Ethereum as I can. I love the ecosystem overall. And I think one day Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin. I know that's a bold prediction, but that's how I feel. Alright, guys, so I'm going to leave the video there. This is just a quick news video, just to update for everyone. I just wanted to get this out. I am going to have my new setup ready this week, so I will be having more professional looking videos coming out. Thank you to everyone that's subscribed and left comments and likes on these videos and supported me so far. And we're not going to stop. We're just going to keep going. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.